Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter 4, More on Excel. Dear children, do you know about Excel? Yes, children, Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program that allows to perform calculations and organize the data in the form of rows and columns. In this chapter, we will learn editing and formatting a worksheet. In this video, we will learn the topics selection in a worksheet and editing in a worksheet. Dear children, let us start with the first topic, selection in a worksheet. Before editing or formatting the content of the cell in a worksheet, we should select the cell first. We can select an individual cell or range of cells, a row or a column or an entire worksheet. How we can select? In this video, we can study.
Children, this is the worksheet. In this worksheet, this is the row, this is column. In the section of these rows and column, we can get cell. First, we will learn how to select the cell. Just click on the required cell. That time, one thick border appears around the cell. Did you observe? When we are selecting the cell around a thick border appears. Did you get me? Okay children, now we will see how to select the range of cell. Range of cell means continuous cells. Okay. I want to select the cell from here to here. How I can do? There are two methods. First method is just click on the first cell. Then click and drag across the text and keep the mouse pointer on the last cell. Then release the mouse button. That time the desired cells are selected. Then second method, first you have to click on the first cell. Then hold down the shift key. Then click the last cell. That time that desired cell is selected. Did you understand me? Then next one is how to select the non-adjacent cells. These are the adjacent cells. Now we can how to select the non-adjacent cells. Here I want to select the serial number 1, then Lavanya, then occupation teacher. These are the things we want to select. How we can select? First you have to click on the first content. Then hold down the control key. Then click on the Lavanya. Then you have to click on teacher. That three cells are selected. Did you understand me? Okay children, now we will see how to select the rows and columns. If you want to select a single row, just click on the row heading. The entire row is selected. Same way, column also. Just click on the column heading. We can select the entire column. Did you understand me? Then, if you want to select more than one row, just click on the first row, then hold down the shift key, then click on the last row. The number of row will be selected. Understand? Same way, we can select more than one column. You have to click on the column heading first, then hold down the shift key, then next you have to click the last column heading. Dear children, now we will see how to select the entire worksheet. To select an entire worksheet, just click the select all button in the top left corner. Just click on that. That time entire worksheet will be selected. If you want to unselect it, just click anywhere. That time the selection will be removed. children, now we will move to next topic, editing in a worksheet. Editing means modifying or altering or deleting the content of the cell. This includes changing the cell content and inserting and deleting cells, rows and columns. Here we can cut, copy and paste the cell content. We will see how to edit the cell content. Cell content means what are the things entered into the cell, that is a cell content. Here this cell content is 1. This cell content is Niveda. This is the content. Did you get me content? How to edit the content? There are 3 methods to edit the content. First method is just double click on the cell, then you can change the content. Nivya. Okay. This is one method to edit the content. How I done? Just double click on the cell, then change the content. Then second method, just select the cell, then press F2 key. Then Aditya. Then we can change, press enter key. Third method is just click on the formula bar. This is the formula bar. Then change the content. Children, now we will see how to delete the cell content. Here also 2 methods. First method is just right click on the cell, then select clear content. That time the selected cell content will be removed. And this is one method. Second method, I am selecting this name Vidya. Then next, click the clear button, down arrow in the clear button. In which group? Editing group. Home tab, editing group. You have to click the down arrow in the clear button, then select clear content button. That time the selected cell content will be deleted. Did you get me? Okay children, now we will see how to cut the text. For that, first you have to select the cell. Which one is you want to move? Further, just right click on the cell. You can select cut. Otherwise, you can click the cut button in the clipboard group in the home tab. That time, selected text with marquee lines. Then click the new location. Then right click and select paste. Otherwise, click the paste button in the clipboard group in the home tab. Did you get me? That time the selected text is moved to new location. Then right click on the cell. Select copy. Otherwise, click the copy button in the clipboard group in the home tab. That time the selected cell will be highlighted with the marquee lines. Then click the new location. Then right click and paste. Otherwise, you have to click the paste button in the clipboard group in home tab. Okay children. Now we will see how to inserting cells, rows and a column. For that, first you have to select the cell. Then you have to right click on the cell. Select insert. Otherwise, another method, just click the down arrow in the insert button in cells group in home tab. That time 4 options are there. You can select insert cell. That time insert cell dialog box appears. Select the required option. If you want to insert the cell, the existing cell want to move to right, you have to select shift cell right. Same way, the existing cell move to down means you have to select shift cells down. If you want to insert entire row, then select entire row. If you want to insert entire column, you can select entire column. See here, I am selecting shift cell down. Click OK button. What happened? The one cell is inserted, the remaining cells are shifted to down. Children, now we will see how to delete the cells, rows and the columns. It is same way as the inserting cells, just opposite of that. If you don't want this signal here, then right click on the cell, select delete. Otherwise, you have to click the delete button down arrow in the cells group in home tab. Then select delete cells. That time you can get the delete cell dialog box appear. Here also 4 options. The shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, entire column. Now I am selecting entire column. Then click OK button. The selected column full removed from the list. Okay. Okay children, now we will see resizing the row. How to resize the row? For that, you have to move the mouse pointer border of the row. Then click and drag it to downwards to increase the height. Drag it to upward that to decrease the height. Did you get me? This is one method to change the height. Another one method is right click on the cell, then select row height. That in row height dialog box appears. Enter the row height 20, 25. Click OK. That time the row height is changed. Another one method to change the height, just click the down arrow in the format button in cells group in home tab. That time select row height. Same dialog box appears. Click the row, enter the row height, then click OK button. Did you get me? Same way we can change the column width also. How to? We can move the cell pointer over the column border. Click and drag it to right. It increase the width. Click to drag it to left, that decrease the width. This is one method. The another one method is right click on the column. Then next is select column width. That column width dialog box appears. There enter the column width. I am given 15. Then click OK. That time column width will be changed. The third method is click the down arrow in the format button in cells group in home tab. Then select column width. Here enter the column width. Then click OK button. The column width will change. Okay children, in this video we learned about how to select the cell, how to select the range of cells, how to select the non-adjacent cells, then editing a worksheet, editing the content of the cell, deleting cell content, how to copy, how to cut, then next inserting cells, rows and columns, how to delete the cells, rows and columns, how to resizing the columns and row. These are the things we studied. Okay, thank you dear children.